for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.